Brooklyn Bridge history. The Brooklyn Bridge is one of the most iconic landmarks in New York City, with a rich history dating back to the late 19th century. Construction on the Brooklyn Bridge began in 1869 and was completed in 1883. It was designed by engineer John Augustus Roebling and continued by his son, Washington Roebling, after John's death due to a construction accident. The Brooklyn Bridge was the first steel wire suspension bridge ever constructed. It spans the East River, connecting the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn. At the time of its completion, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world, with a main span of 1,595 feet, 486 meters. Building the bridge was a monumental engineering feat. Workers faced numerous challenges, including working underwater in caissons to dig the bridge's foundations, dealing with treacherous conditions, and contending with the threat of the bends, decompression sickness. Despite these challenges, the Brooklyn Bridge was completed and opened to the public on May 24, 1883. It quickly became a symbol of engineering prowess and a gateway between Manhattan and Brooklyn. The bridge's completion transformed the dynamics of transportation in New York City, allowing for easier movement of people and goods between the two boroughs. Today, the Brooklyn Bridge remains a beloved landmark and a popular tourist attraction. It's not only a vital transportation link but also a symbol of the ingenuity and ambition of the people who built it. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badol. I am Recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high-resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe. You can see new videos like this every day.